This isn't a fan, it's ice-cold mist in a box the size of your palm. Fill it with water, press one button, and watch the room change temperature. Push your glass down. That's it. That's the whole trick. No scrubbing, no soap, just a perfect rinse in under 2 seconds. Most people scroll past this. The ones who don't never go back to normal. Watch what happens when it actually gets used. It maps your entire floor before it even starts cleaning. This is what smart actually means. Every cable you own, 0 tangles, one tiny zip case. Open it once and you'll never pack a bag the old way again. Thieves hate this one specific click sound. It locks the wheel from turning and game over before it starts. Lost keys used to mean 10 minutes of panic. Now it's one tap on your phone and a beep leads you straight to them. No more fighting the box, no more jagged edges. One clean slide and the wrap cuts itself. Snap, stick, done. Your desk just stopped looking like a spider web. It's not just air, it's a cooling cloud aimed exactly where you point it. Summer just got canceled. Type it, print it, peel it, stick it. Every messy drawer in your house is about to get organized in seconds. No blade, no effort, just spin and peel. Watch an entire apple lose its skin in one continuous ribbon. Toppings go in while it's still churning. Real soft serve, real mix-ins. 0 ice cream truck required. Flip it and your tablet becomes a full laptop. Flip it again and it's a screen for movies. Any drink goes in liquid, it comes out a perfect slushy in minutes. This is the gadget your freezer's been missing. It folds flatter than your phone, unfolds into a full ergonomic laptop riser in 3 seconds. It looks like a jet engine because the blades were designed like one. This airflow hits different, literally. Step on the pedal, covers wrap your shoes instantly. No bending down, no touching anything. "30 seconds to heat up, then grease just disappears. No chemicals, just pure steam doing the work." It hunts dust mites you can't even see. Run it once and check the dirt tank. You won't believe what was living in your sheets. One squeeze cuts through a branch your hand never could. Gardening just got dangerously easy. Point, click, get the exact measurement, no tape required. Switch modes, and it becomes a full retractable measure too. Tiny enough to clip anywhere. Clear enough to shoot cinema footage. This is the smallest camera that still shoots like a flagship. Tracks, plays, and feeds, all from your phone. Your pet's about to have a better daily routine than you. No poles, no setup struggle, just air. One pump and shelter appears in under 60 seconds. Snap it onto any spray can. Your finger never has to cramp again. "30 meters of reach and pressure strong enough to strip years of grime. Watch dirt disappear in one single pass." Mark it, hang it, level it, all in one tool. No more pencil marks, no more crooked frames. Palm-sized, but it fills a tire faster than a gas station hose. Never get stranded with a flat again.